Joke time! Why doesn't the sun need to go to college? Because it already has 1,000,000 degrees. Nature joke time! What falls but never hits the ground? The temperature. Joke time! When hiking today, I met a comedian in the desert. His jokes were a bit dry. Joke time! Why can you never trust atoms? Because they make up everything. It's so hard to come up with a cactus joke. Yep, it's a thorny problem. Joke time! What kind of plant sneaks up on you? An ambush! I find the wind very impressive. Yep, it blows me away. Why don't ducks make good comedians? Because they always quack under pressure. Hydration joke. Sometimes I think my puns are a little dry, but they always leave an outpouring of laughter. Joke time. Today I met a flower that really felt it needed to make better decisions in life. Yep, it wanted to turn over a new leaf. Joke time. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Joke time. Most of the time I enjoy hiking, but it does have its ups and downs. Joke time! Why did the mountain apply for a job? It wanted to reach new heights. Joke time! What did the trees wear to the pool party? Swimming trunks. Joke time! Why can't you run in a campsite? Because you can only run. It's past tense. Joke time! On the trail today, I saw a snake that was 3.14 meters long. Yep, I'm pretty sure it was a python. Joke time! Where do bad rainbows go? They go to prism. Don't worry, it's a light sentence. They get a little time to refract. Joke time! A forester is about to cut a tree down when the tree yells, "Stop! You can't cut me down! I'm a talking tree!" The forester responds, "Yep, and you'll dialogue." Joke time! What does the letter A and a flower have in common? Bees come after both of them. Joke time! Why do hummingbirds hum? Because they don't know the words. Joke time! I told a joke in a cave once. It echoed back, so I guess it really resonated. Joke time! I met a flower that had won a ton of awards. Yep, she was outstanding in her field. Nature joke time! The dude told me a story about his grandmother who started hiking 5 miles a day when she was 60. She's 97 now, and they have no idea where she is. Joke time! What do you call a piece of wood with absolutely nothing to do? Bored! Joke time! What do you get when you cross a river and a stream? Wet feet! Joke time! What do flowers study in school? STEM! Joke time! The dude said that if he made a cave painting, it would be priceless. I agree. No one would pay for that. Joke time! I don't typically like jokes about maple trees. Yep, they are just too sappy.